Hey guys, it's Snicklefrizz here with Snicklefrizz updates number 1. Okay, so one update is that there is going to be Zuzu Pet videos here coming soon. I know it's been a while. I haven't been making videos because I've been really busy with school and after school stuff. So if you were wondering why I haven't been making videos lately, it's because of that. And the Zuzu Pet videos will be like Zuzu Pet's videos back to school. Near Halloween, there's going to be LPS Halloween. And Christmas, that's going to be in a while though. LPS. No, LPS. No, not those Pet Shop. Zuzu Pet's Christmas. It's going to be a very long episode. Yeah. So, yeah. And today we are going to have Quack. Come on out here, Quack. Now, Quack is going to be giving us some updates. So, what's the updates going to be here, Quack? Well, Quack, are you okay? Yes, I'm right here. Oh, sorry. My update is going to be, there is going to be a new show called Doing It with Quack. It's like an exercise show with Quack. Right, there is going to be a new show called Doing It with Quack. Thank you, Quack, for coming to the show. Thank you, Quack, for coming to the updates. You're welcome. Yeah, so that's all the updates for today. Stay tuned for Snicklefrizz with updates number 2. And bye-bye.